Small Business Administration has stepped in to help businesses by approving loans and allowing deferrals of existing loan payments.
Is not the same as approving more spending. It lets us pay for what Congress already spent.
Courting favored contractors by approving weapon systems the Pentagon itself said that it doesn't want or need. Because in these hard times, we have to save where we can. As I said yesterday, the Small Business Administration has stepped in to help businesses by approving loans, but also as important, allowing many to defer existing loan payments. We're approving dozens of new pipelines. I ordered everybody who was involved in approving projects to speed up the permitting process for 50 different big projects all across the country. From the Tappan Zee Bridge in New York to the Port of Charleston in South Carolina. And we've been able to, in some cases, cut, and I followed that by approving a major disaster declaration to help residents and business owners rebuild and to help state and local and tribal governments with emergency work. So if we're truly concerned about China's actions in the South China Sea, for example, the Senate should help strengthen our case by approving the law of the Sea Convention, as our military leaders have urged.